Welcome in the biodiversified land Changlang, a place covered with stimulating exquisite hills that lies in the southeastern corner of Arunachal Pradesh, is the easternmost part of India, a land where the rays of sun spilled like coffee into a pot. It is the place where sunlight first touches the horizon of the eastern mountain ranges of the district. I invite you to experience the wondrous beauty that Changlang has bestowed, from the symmetrical, curvaceous streams to the sultry sunsets that set our mind into the unopened part of the dapple golden light. Listen to the nature and come glide through the lush green meadow to fix every curve on Steel Well Road with the sense of easiness and explore new avenues with enthusiastic rise and fall of biking trip. In the shimmering wind that offers the cycling event for best adventure, from sailing through the turbulent streams, from experiencing the elephant ride to listen the whisperings of trees and birds. The most astonishing thing about Changlang is the tea, which is locally known as falab, the curled green leaves brewed in bamboo under a pyre so it can give the smoky fragrance that tastes like heaven. The abode of fascinating tribes such as the hill-dwelling people, the Tangsals, the invincible and indomitable Singphos, the people who practice the wine one heart custom, the Lisu, followers of animism, the Tutsa. These tribes live in harmony and celebrate their festival like Mohmon, Bangtuku, Supangyang together with great pomp and show. These people are known for their warmth and friendliness, always receptive to embrace visitors with open arms and leaving them with great hospitality. The sounds and motion of trade being interlaced is almost hypnotic, where magic is woven, a small but global carpet weaving industry that not many people know about. Each tribe has its own traditional beliefs and practices. The people have faith in Buddhism, while others seek credence in Christianity and spirit god Rangphra. To amplify your knowledge, Changlang possesses the World War II cemetery stretching till the Hamilton Bridge between Jairampur and Nampong, effortlessly following the curves through rich dark green grass towards the dew and mist bleeding finer than a wedding dress, flowing to the curves of Pangsu Pass, which also connects the two beautiful countries, India and Myanmar, whispering towards the direction of the majestic Patkai Hills. Let's weave the unexplored part of Vijayanagar, the remotest area in Changlang. Clouds engulfing hills, Dafabung, the virgin spot of Changlang, has been a fascination for researchers. The subliminal, elevated, untouched beauty of this place that can allure anyone. Come, walk with me through the forest blessed abode, through the heaven-weave guilt of the earth, the Namdapha National Park, where Mother Nature has created ways to nurture the life dwelling there. The beautiful forest has spotted more than 400 butterfly species till today. The enchanting sprawling flora and fauna is just few kilometers away from Miao amidst the misty blue hills along the turbulent Nao Dihing. To promote tourism in Changlang, the government have affiliated homestays, quality restaurant and some private hotels and lodges in our abode. After a long journey, all a traveler asks is a hotel that makes him feel like he just returned home. These homestays and lodges just give you that perfect hues of happiness. Changlang is unpredictable. In each step, it holds a surprise and provides a never-ending experience, and each experience holds its own beauty. Come, let's find peace, tranquility, and solace in nature's land.